Nothing happens by chance. There's a Korean expression that says you throw a stone in a pond without thinking about it and a frog dies. Someone listening to these words might think that you can act without thinking, like throwing a stone in a pond and by chance kill a frog. But this isn't so. Not only can you not act without thinking, but not even a drop of energy can move across the universe without a reason. Everything has a reason. Even if most of the time we are not aware of its deep meaning, there is a reason if someone gets hit on their head by a stone. This is nothing but an example of how the law that regulates life works. There is a reason if someone stops you on the street and says certain words to you. This only means that this speech was meant for you. So instead of being annoyed and wonder what this person wants from you, you should wonder why these words came to you. If something bad makes its way to you, it means that over time you piled up enough misbehavior to receive such signs. You don't get cancer or get run over by a bus by chance. You only reap what you sow. Nature does not make mistakes. It gives us signals, and if we keep blaming others instead of reflecting on our own actions and change our path, we will attract even bigger signs. It's nothing but a good old-fashioned beating.